Starting an e-commerce business with a small budget can be a challenging but rewarding journey. Here is a brief story on how I started my e-commerce business with just 10,000 naira and went on to make millions. When I started my e-commerce business, I knew I would need to be resourceful and strategic to make the most of my limited budget. I began by carefully researching the market and identifying a niche that I believed had strong potential for growth and that I would be able to start with my limited resources. Next, I focused on building a strong foundation for my business. I spent time developing a clear brand identity and creating high-quality product listings. I also worked to establish relationships with suppliers and vendors who could provide me with the products I needed at competitive prices. Despite the challenges I faced, I never gave up on my vision and was determined to succeed. As my business began to grow, I reinvested my profits back into the business, using them to expand my product offerings and improve my marketing efforts. Through hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt, I was able to take my e-commerce business from a small startup with just 10,000 naira to a thriving enterprise that has generated millions in revenue. I am grateful for the opportunity to turn my passion into a successful business, and I am excited to see what the future holds.
I was given an award sometimes ago from the Africa giant e-commerce platform, and that is Jumia. Now this is on YouTube. This video was recorded. It came to my place to record this video that particular year, and I will go on YouTube now so that we see it on their platform, on their own YouTube channel, not my own. So let's just go on YouTube right now, as you can see on my YouTube, and check it out for a Jumia success story. Jumia success story, and you will see my picture and my video there. So let's scroll down. This is success story, and you can see this our vendor success story. I started with 10,000 naira, and let me click on it on this particular video right now. And let's wait as okay.
My name is Olatunji Joseph. I'm a seller on Jumia. I started this business
as you can see, this is here, and this is my name, and this is one of my store names, Zure, and that name belongs to my daughter. So let me play it a bit so that you can hear the voice.
October 2015, when I moved from North down to Lagos. And for me to move from Lagos, from North to Lagos, my brother had to send my TP to.
So this is my story, how I started this e-commerce business, and I'll be able to generate millions from this business. So in videos or in the next tutorial, I'm going to break this to stages, how you can start e-commerce business in your own country and make money, where to get your product from, how to get it, and how to look for best seller. This is what I'm going to discuss. I'm going to take it step by step, the practical way, how you can make it big on e-commerce. And after we finish this particular series of e-commerce, I will move on to drop shipping, how you can start that and make money even without buying product. E-commerce involves you spending your capital to buy product and stock it, but drop shipping does not require money to buy and stock your own product. So I'm going to discuss that, but I'm going to start this series soon, this e-commerce series, and I'll take you gradually, step by step, how you can succeed in this business called e-commerce. And this is just me, and this is my story. So you can go to YouTube and just Google it out. You just type Jumia success story and you will see me there. That is how I started, and I'll be able to make millions from this business alone. So let's just play it a bit, or let me fast forward it.
2, with good prices as a discounted price that people can afford. And make sure you set, if you want to be successful on Jumia, you must make sure you set good quality, good products. And number 2, with good prices as a discounted price that people can afford. And number 3, make sure you put your order to ready to ship, order 24 hours, and make sure in the next 24 hours drop it to the nearest drop-off center so that your customer can get their goods on time.
So this is just me, and as you can see, this is how I started this particular business online. So let's continue.
As a successful seller on Jumia, I have consistently focused on delivering high-quality products and exceptional customer service. I have also worked hard to optimize my listings and utilize marketing strategies to attract and retain customers. One key factor in my success has been my ability to stay up to date on industry trends and continually adapt my approach to meet the changing needs of my customers. I have also made a point of regularly analyzing my sales data and using that information to make informed decisions about my product offerings and pricing. I am thrilled to have been recognized for my hard work and dedication with the award for Best Sales Growth on Jumia.